Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ledger Stax versus other Ledger hardware wallets. We'll dive into the distinct features and benefits of each model, helping you make an informed decision. We'll cover everything from their physical design and display technology to their unique functionalities and overall value. This comprehensive overview will guide you in choosing the ideal device for securing your digital assets. The most striking difference is the display. Ledger Stax boasts a 3.7-inch e-ink touchscreen, offering a vibrant and customizable experience. In contrast, other Ledger models, like the Nano X, feature smaller, non-touch OLED screens. This larger, always-on display on the Stax allows for easier navigation and a more engaging interaction with your assets, including displaying NFTs. Beyond the screen, Stax introduces wireless charging and a unique magnetic design for stacking multiple devices. It also offers enhanced personalization, letting you display your favorite NFTs or custom images on the lock screen. While other Ledger devices provide robust security, Stax elevates the user experience with these modern conveniences and a more interactive interface, making managing your crypto simpler. When it comes to price, Ledger Stax sits at a premium, reflecting its innovative e-ink display, wireless charging, and advanced design. Other Ledger devices, such as the Nano X, offer excellent security at a more accessible price point. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize the cutting-edge features and enhanced user experience of the Stax or the proven, cost-effective security of other models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.